What's going on, guys? Clay here at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you $100 cash money if we're unable to give you a credit approval. Got a new truck in, going to show you real quick. This is a 2011 model Ford F-150 XLT Texas edition. Kind of a bright blue color. It's full-size 4-door crew cab. This one has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 and it's 2-wheel drive. Got Foglights on the front. Got the chrome plated grille. Headlights are still kind of clear, but I believe they've been smoked out a little bit. They look like they were darkened up to match the rest of the truck. Kind of got the two-tone blue and black thing going on. Windows are already tinted pretty dark. Got blinkers on the side mirrors, chrome door handles. Got some aftermarket Rockstar rims. Those are 18 inches. And then you got some decent tread left on the tires. Chrome back bumper. Got a blacked out Ford logo. Towing package on there. Got a bed liner still in really good shape. Got keyless entry. Cloth interior, very clean, still looks kind of new. Plenty of leg room. Got the keypad entry system. You got power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Power adjustable driver's seat. Got a little bit of a damage on the seat right there. Over here on the side of the steering column, you got power adjustable pedals. Let's see. Alright, got 158,000 miles. Got cruise control on the steering wheel and some controls for the radio and hands-free calling. No touch screen, no color screen, but you do have Microsoft Sync, so you can hook your phone up via Bluetooth for music, hands-free calling, all that good stuff. You also got a CD player and auxiliary input. It's a pretty truck, so if you think you're interested or you just got some questions for me, please give me a call. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.